Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare creatine versus ashwagandha. We'll explore their unique benefits, how they work in your body, and who might benefit most from each supplement. Understanding these differences is key to choosing the right supplement for your personal health and fitness goals. Let's dive into the science behind each one to help you make an informed decision. Creatine is a well-researched compound naturally found in muscle cells, primarily used to enhance physical performance. It helps your muscles produce more energy, specifically adenosine triphosphate, during high-intensity activities like weightlifting or sprinting. This leads to increased strength, improved muscle mass, and better exercise capacity. Many athletes use a loading phase of 20 to 25 grams daily for 5 to 7 days, followed by a maintenance dose of 3 to 5 grams per day. Ashwagandha, an adaptogenic herb, has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine. It helps your body manage stress by reducing cortisol levels, promoting a sense of calm and improving sleep quality. Beyond stress relief, some studies suggest it can also enhance endurance and support cognitive function. Doses often range from 300 to 600 milligrams of extract daily, with benefits typically becoming noticeable over several weeks of consistent use. When deciding between creatine and ashwagandha, consider your primary goals. If you're focused on maximizing strength, power, and muscle growth for intense workouts, creatine is likely your best choice. However, if stress reduction, improved sleep, and overall mental well-being are your priorities, ashwagandha would be more suitable. Some individuals even choose to use both for a comprehensive approach to health and performance. And speaking of making things easier, check out the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.